Everybody, let's get some fireworks.
We're not going there yet.
We're almost.
We're getting ready.
Yeah.
All right. So today's a good day. You know why? Because Mom's away and we get to go out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hope Mom's not listening to this.
I hope so.
Where are we going today?
I don't know. We're going to get fireworks.
We're gonna go see how much we can get fireworks we can get out of $100. So
Only $100?
that's our spending limits today. So $100. We gotta choose very carefully what we want. Okay?
Where are we going from? Like, where's the store?
Well, I'm gonna get you there. Don't worry. Thank you for tuning in again. This is gonna be the official vlog in English for our channel. I guess me and the kids, we've decided to do English instead of Vietnamese, just because my kids are having trouble sometimes trying to say, you know, choosing a certain word in Vietnamese, and it's hard for them to do the video with me. So, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Today we are heading out to Eureka, which is the county, out in the county of the St. Louis City area, to buy some fireworks, get ready for the 4th of July. The reason why we have to travel so far is because they are not allowed to be sold in the city area limits. So we have to kind of travel around maybe 30 to 45 minutes out here westward. You see Six Flags right over there? Oh, no, you get a good view over here. There we go. There's one firework exit 253. Yeah, that's where we probably go to the closest one. Yeah, we're going into this exit here. I think yeah, right over there. I think I've been here before.
No, I think so. Are you way back?
Yeah, you haven't, but I have.
No, you did. I think so.
Yeah, right over there. I see one. I see one already.
I know.
But I hope they're open.
I do, but I think so.
But we, when we buy this, we can't shoot it yet, okay? We're gonna shoot like a couple weeks later.
A week later?
Okay, let's go in here.
Daddy, why are we going on 4th day already?
Alright, let's go inside and see what they got for us today. Now, our spending limits is still $100, you remember?
Yep.
Alright. No, not this side, the other one. Yeah. I don't think, yeah, they are. So we want to buy some of the small one.
Some big ones.
There's some of the small for kids. Yeah, these are like the car ones, where you shoot and it's gonna run out onto the street.
Oh, yeah.
So you want one of these?
Yeah. Okay.
Go get a basket.
Daddy, this is like crayon. What about Daddy?
Right over here. That's a basket. Did you have any special deals or anything?
We got some buy one get one free on the bigger stuff.
Can we buy some of these?
No, I gotta see if it's safe for you guys to play.
We got smaller ones.
Yeah, I'm trying to look for something for the kids to play, you know, where it's not too crazy. I will get a few crazy ones too, but you know, I want to get theirs first.
Oh,
They're like these are the twirl one.
Oh.
we got those, but we got a box of them.
Uh-huh.
It's a little cheaper, and there's more in there.
Okay.
More for them.
Yeah.
We got little snap pops, if you know what those are.
Yeah, like the one you throw.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the
Smoke bomb.
smoke bomb. Probably get a few.
For these.
Here's some smoke bomb. Get some
Nice.
smoke bomb.
You know what the snakes do?
No.
And they got different colored ones. That's pretty neat for the kids.
Yeah, I'll take one of that.
Daddy, Daddy,
Huh?
can we use some of the smoke bomb tonight?
Maybe.
They're loud. We can keep it.
Well, if you behave, we'll play the one that's not loud, okay?
Okay, not
Alright.
very loud.
Those are smoke bombs.
It will annoy
biggest
our
smoke bombs. They
neighbors.
put out a lot of smoke. They're pretty neat.
We'll try the one that don't not too loud.
No, hang on. We'll probably just do one. This white. It's all white, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Let me see.
Daddy, what did it say? What did it say, Daddy?
It says confetti blaster. You don't want that. You're gonna be cleaning up the whole yard if you're gonna do that.
No.
They're $6 each. No, you want to save some money, buy the bigger one too, because I gotta get some big one too. All right, I'm just gonna take a look around, see what else you have. But pretty much, I'm just wanting stuff for the kids. Small firecrackers. Double parachute.
Oh, let's try that. Like put on a stick, but when you lay it up, it goes like shoot out some sparks.
But this is more when it shoots out the parachute, and you're gonna have to run and catch it. Wanna get one?
Yeah, let's get one.
Okay.
Use our
I don't know. Wait. I guess we're just gonna get a little bit of everything because I really don't know how they're gonna play. So, hang on. That's a box. Double parachute. That's one box. Oh, this is the long big firecracker. Whistling chaser.
Smoke grenades.
Huh?
Smoke grenades.
Smoke grenade.
What are these?
This is the you throw where it's come out smoke. But we got a bunch already, so we don't need that.
No.
Oh, this spinner. You're gonna like the spinner.
Huh?
Let's get the spinner.
Yeah. Let's get only 2, Daddy.
They're $1.90. Bag is 10. How many you got? We got 2. Let's get 2 of these. Super assortment. I don't know. You think it's worth it? How much it cost?
I don't know, Daddy. Just put it right there. Hold on.
Neon.
Yeah, like these. They look like them here.
Okay.
Like I have.
Yeah, 2.
Oh, they have colors.
All right. So let's get all your little stuff, and I'm gonna buy a big one. Okay.
Like these guys.
Here, one of these. Air color bomb.
Ooh. But how much? Each is about $3.50.
Okay, we'll get just one.
One?
Yes, just one.
Can we buy this one?
No, we're only getting one. Put it back. Here, get the one that's not busted right here. Yeah, I'm looking for one of those where they put on the floor and then they just kind of shoot out.
Fountains?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are all actually
here, right?
fountains on this whole
Okay.
wall.
Okay, get one of these. One of these. Let's get one of these. Okay, you don't tell Mom I spent over 200, okay? Yeah, I think it's a little bit more than 200 here. So you guys better start working and pay me back for these. What's it coming out to?
Hold on. It's gonna be $120.20.
120.
So
Okay.
that means you'll get $10 worth of free fireworks. So we actually have this, which is $10. It's called Purple Haze, and it goes up in the sky like a bigger one, but it's actually a smaller one, so it won't go as high as the bigger ones you got, but it'll still do some.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
All right, seatbelts on. Let's go. Okay, you can't open anything until we get home and until we shoot.
So we like go home and choose the one we do tonight?
Yeah, we're gonna pick out some of the small ones which doesn't make a lot of noise, then we can shoot. But all the ones with a loud bang, we gotta wait till the holiday, okay? All right, so we're back home. Finally, took the whole trip almost 2 hours to get there and get it and come back. So this is what I got out of $100. As you can see, I got 2 large ones. This is gonna be the finale of our shoots. So we got one called Red Light District and another one called Dungeon of Doom. So we won't get to see that until, you know, all of these are burnt out. We got the little package for the kids, all the small stuff that they can play with. Also a lot of sparklers where they, you know, where it's safe for the kids to play. And they actually gave us 2 free, one just because we bought it over $100. This two, I don't know what it does, but hopefully it'll be on par between these two. And well, you know, usually if it was just for myself, I would buy a lot of the bigger ones, but I want to have, you know, the childhood fun with the kids as well. So they get all the little goodies with all the sparklers and all the, I don't know what it does, but there you go. So you have it. You know, back in the old days, with $100, you know, I recall I got like a ton of stuff, and they used to have those deals, buy 4 or buy 1 get 3 free or 4 free, but now they don't have that anymore, and each of these costs like $1 each. Some are like $2-3 most range, especially the big one. They're always up in the 20, 30, sometimes 100. So alright guys, thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. So we have a lot of future video coming up with we got a trip to the Cancun, Mexico in 3 weeks, and in September we're also going to Dominican Republic, and one last one on the book would be a cruise trip for 2 weeks, you know, going through all the islands down in the Bahamas. So we'll hope to see you there. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.